nice slow ramp up.
Yeah.
Now you're at full speed.
And then run over Caitlin there. Okay, and then if I want to go backwards. See, if it can handle me on the learning curve, I'm doing pretty. You guys are doing pretty good. Very good.
Simple and controller with that in mind, so that you can't be too high.
Oh, okay.
So it's plugged in. So
So it's plugged in, so it told me to dial this all the way down here. I was listening. I can stop it from here? So we need to have that dial all the way up.
yeah,
It's not a real big
Yeah. That's why it
I'm
has
feeling
forward.
because of the
So if you overshoot,
right.
All right? I'm
That's
not.
not as good.
Not you know, yellow and black. Yeah, I mean, in general practice, you could get up on top, but, you know,
That's
it
not
just doesn't,
recommended.
it's not recommended, and we just don't feel like that would be a safe practice.
What would be unsafe about it?
your center of gravity would be probably too high, and
It's more central, but it's a lot higher, and I mean, it is such a small acceleration. I really don't think there'd be a problem, but as far as a future producer, it's not something we want to officially say that is recommended.
it's possible. Also, since we don't have a shock absorption system, all the bumps in the ground you will feel with the wheels, which is.
That's true. We don't actually have a painter's ladder with the platform that would be here. It obviously would not be a problem with our design. But painters or any electrician or anything, there's spots for your tools up here, pockets, etc. I mean, you don't move a ladder with the tools on the ladder, and you wouldn't use this with the tools. I mean, just dangling on the top. I agree, that would be a good test.
We tested on industrial hard carpet. We did not get an opportunity to test it on fluffier carpet as we didn't have access to it in the
Fluffier. That's
Yeah, that would be future real industrial testings. We don't really have the opportunity to do that in the lab.
The points of failure would be the motor, clearly, but that's if a painter did already have the frame and needed a new motor. It's 4 bolts, and it's not. It doesn't require any special tools. The other point of failure that we would foresee is just the wheels losing their tracking. Like if you use this a lot, or you put a lot of weight on one side or something, and it goes out of alignment. Yeah, our future plan is to add some sort of tracking system, much like on the golf carts or the golf bag carts. I'm sorry, where they just have sort of a set screw that you screw in, and it just puts a little pressure on the wheel enough to make it align.
This is a problem we saw with testing, but we didn't get an opportunity to fix it while we were doing our project.
32% of our market were painters, the people that filled out our surveys, and 67% of our total survey takers said that they would be interested in our project.
Unfortunately, we didn't have the time. When we created the survey, it was very general, so we pulled a lot of people from different backgrounds, and unfortunately, we didn't have the time to create another survey once we determined our target audience from our first survey. So we would have loved to try and do that, but we didn't. Unfortunately, due to time constraints, we did not have the opportunity.
Our original weight analysis made us, realize that putting a bunch of batteries just increased everything. We already have a pretty robust system. In addition, having this motor controller combination was just more convenient for the market, being that you can plug it into a wall. And so with those considerations, we chose this, and these do work together. I mean, these come in a pair, the controller and motor, and so they're made together so that you can have the DC motor with an AC power source.
Other questions? Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.